Hi guys, mag-unbox tayo today. Nasa labas ako at i-unbox ko. Um, Tingnan natin. Super super kapal po yung kasi sinisiguro na yung laman is hindi masira. Yun naman talaga. So, ang laman ng box is tada! Ito po yung bagong Netgear ngayon, guys. At ito yung yung pangalawa. This is Netgear GX500 gaming router, Nighthawk. Ito yung fastest router na latest one. This is a geofilter and VPN client. At kung mahilig kayo sa gaming, if your family have a passions of gaming, then even if not gaming and use only for your normal office job, you can use also with this Router XR500 or 500. So this is the Nighthawk. I really recommend if you really want the fastest connection, this would be the solution. Netgear.